Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you want to fix this type of error, first of all guys, let me tell you that you have to open settings, and after that you have to tap on Apple ID, then you have to tap on password. Let me tell you that once you have entered your password incorrect and try to enter the incorrect password again and again, and then it's showing the error like this. So you have to change your password to fix this problem. So you have to change your password first, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to go to Safari. From here guys, you can also change your password. Tap on forgot password. So from here you have to tap on that. Now from here you have to tap on that. Now after that you have to wait some seconds. Now from here you can reset your password by following these instructions. So after resetting your password guys, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to contact with the Apple support. Now from here guys, you have to close this page, and after that guys, you have to open settings, and after that you have to tap on your Apple ID again, and from here you have to tap on media and purchase, and then tap on view account, and after that you can see country or region option. From there you have to change your country, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.